Differences between theoretical framework and conceptual framework with cross-comparisons and examples. Theoretical framework versus conceptual framework. The definition of theoretical framework is based on theory in the form of model or paradigm which serves as basis for study. While definition of conceptual framework is the researcher-own model showing variables that can specify the paradigm and shows direction. Theoretical framework is based on existing theory or theories in the literature which has been tested and validated by other scholars, while conceptual framework is based on concepts which are the main variables in study. Theoretical framework mainly specify by providing a general or broader set of ideas within which a study belongs, while conceptual framework mainly specify by narrower the idea a researcher can utilize in study broader set of ideas within which a study belongs. Nature of model in theoretical framework is in the form of model that pivots a study with its exponents and results of their study, while nature of model in conceptual framework is researcher-own constructed model that used to explain link which exits between main variables of study. The design of theoretical framework is well developed, designed and accepted, while design of conceptual framework is not accepted but its proposal of researcher answer to research problem. The theoretical framework is connected with theories while conceptual framework is connected with concept. The scope of theoretical framework is broader while scope of conceptual framework is narrower. The features of theoretical framework are general, less structure, loosely defined, derived from theories that already exists, focal point that provides a basic foundation of research study, while the features of conceptual framework are very specific, definite structure, no ambiguity in definition, derived from concepts, specify variables that may be identified the study itself, and provide the structure and paradigm for research study. The theoretical framework mainly focused on starting point of discussion that can make readers aware of what follows, while conceptual framework mainly focused on relying on the entire commencement of study. The theoretical framework is best suited for quantitative research, while the conceptual framework is best suited for qualitative research. In example 1, the theoretical framework developed from literature in article Entrepreneurial Finance and its Impact on E-Business, written by Salman and Jamil in 2017. In example 2 is about the conceptual framework. The role of Guangxi in green supply chain management in Asia's emerging economies, a conceptual framework written by Geng et al. 2017. In example 3, there are two figures of same studies which is about the impact of corporate governance on financial performance. The first article is about the corporate governance mechanisms and Jordanian companies' financial performance, written by Alabdullah et al. 2014, which is based on theoretical framework, while the second article in Figure 2 is corporate governance mechanisms and financial performance of listed firms in Nigeria, a content analysis, which is based on conceptual framework written by Peters and Bagshaw in 2014. So, it is your decision to use either theoretical framework or conceptual framework in your research. In example 4, there are two figures of one published thesis of the Victoria Graduate School Faculty of Business and Law, Victoria University, Melbourne, in which the scholar used both theoretical framework and conceptual framework. The title of thesis is Corporate Governance Practices and Firm Performance of Listed Companies in Sri Lanka, written by Heenetagala in 2011. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.